Raya Kedah. This is the original shop. You can get this in KL. It's not the same thing as eating it while on tour on location. So, dig it. Good morning from Alor Setar. We are about to start our journey, so we are gonna have to find something to eat first. We're still in town. Obviously, we're right outside our hotel. Today is gonna be about 80 kilometers. We're not entirely sure what the terrain is gonna be like because
I think it's flat. It's mostly following the coast, but yeah.
So he says. Anyway, we've never been this way before. In fact, we are crossing another state line into a state that I've actually never been to. Have you?
No, I think this is going to be our first time heading into Perlis.
This is the smallest state in the country, and is it the northernmost?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, so we're heading to Perlis from Kedah, and we will hopefully reach Kangar not too late today. Fingers crossed.
Let's go. Memang akhir tahun jalan-jalannya.
Dia tak masuk dalam tanah ni. Oh. Dia bukan ada yang benda biru ni, hijau ni kan, dia benda lumut ni.
Wow. I've been so happy to see KFC in my entire life. And air conditioning. It's so hot today. Woo. It's been a while since I rode in this kind of sun.
So we just had our meal at KFC with air conditioning goodness, and now we're back out in the heat. We're at the border of Kedah and Perlis. We're actually in Air Hitam, and we're gonna keep on going north, and we will be in Perlis soon. So let's go. Yeah. Keep going.
That was harder than I expected, even though it was shorter than the previous ride, the previous day's journey. It was only 80 kilometers, but we had a lot of headwinds, particularly after lunch. And then after 6 o'clock, it picked up even more. But we made it, and we're here at Wood Valley Lodge, which is a pretty nice place, if I must say so myself. Tomorrow, we're gonna be doing a bit more exploring of Perlis because this is our first time here. Can you believe it? So we'll check back in tomorrow.